Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with finding the settings. So obviously this gear icon, let's tap on it. Here all we have to do is to scroll all the way down, completely all the way, and find the option System and Updates, which means that we have to tap on this gear icon again. Now let's tap on the third option, so Language and Input, and tap on the first option, Language and Region. Now let's tap on Add Language, and here scroll until you will find the language you'd like to apply. If after finding, simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you want to change the language, so just tap on Change, so the option in the right lower corner. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, simply tap on the language that you'd like to apply. It will be immediately marked. It will immediately appear at the top of the list. And from now on, again, your device will display everything in the chosen language. Let me set English. As you can see, it's quite easy if you've got the language here. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit, and tap on this X button right next to the language that you'd like to remove. And tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner to confirm everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.